What's up, clan? Island FX Trader here. We're back with another one. We are now at 100 subscribers. Finally, it took a little while, but we're at 100 subscribers. I think right now 105. So, of course, I will be doing the giveaway. If you don't remember, in one of my old videos, I indicated as soon as we hit 100 subscribers, I will be giving away a 5K funded account. We're going to be getting that account with Funding Pips, and in today's video I will show you what you need to do for you to enter that giveaway. Very simple. All you need to do is watch the video all the way to the end. You need to like the video. You have to prove to me that you are a subscriber, and towards the end I will tell you the two final requirements that you need for you to enter the draw. Okay, so just bear in mind a 5K funded account. Okay, now we move over to the chats. Ciao. Okay, so now that we're on the chats, let's get to it. We're on goal, as you can see. So today what we'll be talking about is really and truly sticking to your plan. Oftentimes that is something that you see for a lot of traders. um you journal, you do what is needed, you write down your plans, and then for some reason you break your plan. It could be greed. Let's say you indicate you're going to be taking 1:2s, right? And then you see an opportunity for 1:5 or 1:6, and despite you knowing that on a regular basis 1:2s are more guaranteed, for some reason you would break that plan, and you would go to the 1:6. So for me personally, similar to what the last video said, the high time frame is king. Now, this is my outlook on trading, right? Of course, price is fractal, and whatever you see on one time frame, you're gonna get it on the next. So for me, higher time frame POIs, they hold better, and price is oftentimes more drawn to those POIs. So in this example, I'll be showing you guys a trade that I took on my personal account and also on the prop firm, right? And the mistake that I made. So I lost on one account and I won on the other. However, that trade could have easily been a winner for me across both accounts. So let's just dive into that gold trade. So let's go to the monthly. Well, obviously we could see gold has been bullish for a while, right? All right, so on the weekly time frame, we could definitely see price expanding to the upside. And of course, oftentimes when price is so much in a hurry to expand to the upside, what they would leave behind is fair value gaps, right? All of those buy orders within this price point. Remember, we're not just drawing random boxes. The top of the box, if I go ahead and I put this line here, the top of the box would lead to a price point, and the bottom of the box would lead to another price point. Okay, and we're saying within those two price points there are insufficient sell orders, right? And price would have to come back in there and rebalance itself, right? When price is rebalancing itself on the high time frame, you could go down to the lower time frame and identify when price will be changing character, right? Moving from the sell side to the buy side. And essentially this is what we did. The weekly just indicates that, hey, price pushed in, then you have the following week opening up bullishly, right? So at this point we're looking for more bullish confirmation. So let's just jump down to the 4-hour. Okay, let's just jump down to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, let me just delete this one. I'm going to put it back in a while. On the 4-hour, it's clear that price left a 4-hour fair value gap, right? It's clear that price left this 4-hour fair value gap, all right? And essentially this chop, as we know, gold is something that usually runs. If price has to rebalance itself right here, I definitely know for a fact that price isn't just trying to reach here and maybe fall, right? Chances are they want to reach those extreme highs. Okay. So at the time I did see the 4 hour fair value gap and I was like, nah, the 4 hour fair value gap is a bit big. So on my 1 hour time frame, I took note of a 1 hour fair value gap right here, which price did tap into. Now, what I did is when price, that is on the personal account, by the way, when price tapped into that 1 hour fair value gap, I would say when it tapped here and it pushed up, for example, on this candle, I went ahead and I went long. I went long right here. Okay. I'm not 100% sure if it's there, but I went long somewhere here and I said to myself that I'm going to put the stop loss under this week. So let me just zoom in so you could see the week clearly. I'm going to put the stop loss under this week, right? I said to myself that there's no way price is going to come lower. Although I know, right? Again, following your rule, although I know on the higher time frame, all of this 1 hour price action is simply fitting into this 4 hour fair value gap. If I wanted to be safe, all I had to do is extend a stop loss outside of that 4 hour fair value gap, which I did on the funded account. So on the funded account, this was my approach. As you could see, this bigger long right here, entered here, stop loss, under here, outside of this 4 hour fair value gap, targeting what? Those extreme highs. And like you know, I always target the close of the high, not the wick. But we could definitely see gold shot up way more, right? I got a 1:2.57 on the funded account. Obviously, on the personal account, price stopped me out, right? One, I was eager to enter on the personal, and I figure, but price already tapped into a 1 hour fair value gap, right? If it tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap, all I have to do is put my stop loss under the wick. There's no need for them to go back in there. But at the end of the day, all of that 1 hour price action was actually inside of the 4 hour fair value gap, right? And if I had to be safe, I would have had to cover the entire 4 hour fair value gap like I did on my prop account, right? So on the personal account, price came in, wicked me out because this was my stop loss right here. So let me just go ahead and draw a line. So my stop loss was under this wick right here. So you could see as soon as price tapped, it stopped me out. And what did it do after? Shoot up to the upside right away. So this was a valuable lesson for me. It just reminded me to stick to my plan, despite how I feel. No matter how anxious I am to enter the trade, just stick to the plan. And this is the lesson for today. Whatever plan that you have where trading is concerned, ensure that you stick to it and you stick to it to its fullness. All right. Now for the final part of the video where the giveaway is concerned. The two last things that you would have to do to qualify for the giveaway is to, one, leave a comment. In the comment, you need to put 5K, the number 5 and the letter K. All right. And the second thing would be to go to TikTok and follow my new TikTok account, which is Island Trader FX. All right. Capital I, capital T, capital F, capital X. Island Trader FX. I plan to be sending out some shorts over there throughout the week. So these are the two things that you would need to do to qualify for the giveaway. And of course, in the next video, well, throughout the week, I'm going to be um, collecting the names of the individuals who commented, right? And we're going to put it into a spin the wheel. And in the next video, we're going to announce the winner. And that's it for today. Ciao.